80% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair for the lowest fares and the best on-time records.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now delighted to welcome you to Bremen Airport 15 minutes ahead of schedule. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please exercise extreme caution while opening the overhead lockers, as your carry-on luggage may fall out and cause injuries. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you have reached designated smoking areas outside the terminal building. For more details such as car hire, travel insurance, new routes and weather check-in system, please visit our website at ryanair.com. So finally, on behalf of Captain, First Officer, and especially your onboard crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We wish you safe on this journey and a very pleasant stay here in this local area. From all of us on board, thank you and have a very good morning.